I got a big goddamn problem with the news. Ready for this? The news is completely manipulated. Everything you hear every single day is designed by corporate media to do one thing and one thing only. To keep you living in fear. Total fear. Fear, so you go out, you spend money on things you probably don't even need, things you probably already exist of, so that their advertisers can find ads on your station. I'll tell you one more thing, ready? I'll do this all day now.
If you destroy every single written copy of the Quran in the world, you've done nothing. The Quran is a recitation, and that recitation is then recorded for dictation and recorded in the book. But it is primarily a recitation. If you destroy every single written copy of the Quran in the world, you've done nothing.
There is a satanic effort at work, a malicious, a false and evil attempt at work to distort, to corrupt, and to block the meaning of God on the subject of the return of the Messiah. People who hold this reckless belief that the Messiah will return as a member of the Ummah of Muhammad alayhi salatu This widely held belief by Muslims is yet another instance of the corruption of truth, of misguidance and falsehood in the knowledge of the subject of the Messiah. Since we have no such information in the Quran, that Allah changed His declaration that He sent the Messiah to the Israelites. The implication is that when the Messiah returns, you return to the same people who
You're a keeper of secrets. They know you're going to communicate it at the right time. They trust you with important information because they know you're going to share it and spread it in such a way, at such a time, that it's going to be divinely received by exactly who needed that information.
If you destroy every single written copy of the Quran in the world, you've done nothing. The Quran is a recitation, and that recitation is then recorded for dictation and recorded in the book, but it is primarily a recitation. If you destroy every single written copy of the Quran in the world, you've done nothing.
There is a satanic effort at work, a malicious, a false and evil attempt at work to distort, to corrupt, and to block the meaning of the Quran on the subject of the return of the Messiah. So many Muslims have this belief that Jesus is coming back to be a member of this Ummah. This corruption in our belief has taken place because, number one, of a lack of fundamental knowledge of the study, and because of wrong sources.
This is you getting out of a universe that was created for you. You becoming, it's like a Neo. You're a Neo, and your Neo is awakened. You're about to create your own matrix.
But we have people in the world today who are so fixed in their view that they reject even when we teach them the Quran, that it seems as though their minds are stuck in concrete, and nothing in the world can possibly get them to change their views on anything. What do we do with such people? When you present them the evidence from the Quran, that Jesus, Nabi Isa alayhi salam, was sent by Allah. He says that twice in the Quran was sent to Banu Israel. He is coming back to Banu Israel, who now are called Kitab.
I feel like you definitely have a gift when it comes to communicating.
You becoming, it's like a Neo. You're a Neo, and your Neo is awakened. You're about to create your own matrix.
You have to brush up and work on the skill that you're born with already. Like to go out there saying that I read tarot. That is something that many are scared to say, and many are intimidated to say. And even if you say that to other people, their reaction, their answer towards you, it's either ridicule, it's either fascination. I've had both. either fascination or ridicule, or in between, not knowing what to say. You can get all sorts of reactions when you tell people that's what you do for a living. You have to brush up and work on the skill that you're born with already.
People have become sheep and cattle and goats and camels. How can you want to go to perform Hajj in Makkah at this time when traitors are controlling? For 300 years our people have wept. Our people have been humiliated. Our people have been crushed and oppressed for 300 years. And now once again we can smile, because a new world order is emerging on one track of history, the divine track, in which power will now be used to resist the oppressor. That's what's happening in Ukraine. Power is being used to resist the oppressor and to punish the oppressor for the Great War. But there is another track of history which is like the Dajjal. There's the two sunrises, one sunrise from the east and the sun rising from the west. That is modern Western civilization. And in that second track of history, which is the track of the God, you have the movement from Pax Britannica to Pax Americana to Pax Judaica. But alhamdulillah, Pax Judaica will only be a day like a week. وَجَعِلُ الَّذِينَ اتَّبَعُوكَ فَوْقَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِلَى يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ. The language is easy, it's plain to understand, but something is wrong in their head. I don't know, they have peanuts in their head. They refuse to accept the Quran. Plain and clear as daylight. That's why I say, go your way and leave me alone. Go your way and leave me alone. I don't need you. I hope Russia is listening. These are lovely words for Russia today. And I'm going to cause those who follow you, O Nabi Isa alayhi salam, I'm going to cause those who follow you to be raised above, dominant over these who have rejected you. And when I do that, you will remain in that position of dominance until the end of the world. If this is not evidence, that there is an ummah of Nabi Isa alayhi salam until the end of the world, if this is not evidence, then go back to school, you can't understand.
I am awake. I have woken up from the dream, and I am telling you that after me, the people of Muhammad are coming, and they are going to start waking up in such huge numbers that the path is going to start becoming so clear as Muslims all over the world start to wake up. And if you are on the light, if you are a way shower, then knowing that people from the Prophet Muhammad's people, the Ummah of Muhammad, knowing that the people of Muhammad are going to start waking up to the light and remembering. What do we say? We say, as remembering the truth of that which we were sent to do.
This is you getting out of a universe that was created for you. You becoming, it's like a Neo. You're a Neo. And your Neo is awakened. You're about to create your own matrix.
I'm not interested to sit down with you. No, it's not like this, it's like this. No, I want you to gather your legion, yeah? If you are a big imam with a lot of followers, I want you to have a talk with me on how, because we are scientists, no? We want to find out the truth. How to plan a journey to the North Pole. Then, and only then, I'm gonna surrender. That's it. That is when I'm surrendering. I'm not interested to sit down with you. No, it's not like this, it's like this. No, I want you to gather your legion, yeah? If you are a big imam with a lot of followers, I want you to have a talk with me on how, because we are scientists, no? We want to find out the truth. How to plan a journey to the North Pole. And we're not going to be happy until we have a normal compass and we're going to follow what it points to all the way. So there's a difference between geographical north and magnetic north. I want to go to where the compass is, yeah? All the way. Then, and only then, I'm gonna surrender. That's it. That is when I'm surrendering.
You are the real deal, but there are people around you who just like the glamour and the appearance of things. This is the fundamental difference between you and the people around you. You are the real deal, but there are people around you who just like the glamour and the appearance of things. This is the fundamental difference between you and the people around you. You are the real deal, but there are people around you who just like the glamour and the appearance of things. This is the fundamental difference between you and the people around you. You are the real deal, but there are people around you who just like the glamour and the appearance of things. This is the fundamental difference between you and the people around you. You are the real deal, but there are people around you who just like the glamour and the appearance of things. This is the fundamental difference between you and the people around you. You are the real deal, but there are people around you who just like the glamour and the appearance of things. This is the fundamental difference between you and the people around you. You are the real deal, but there are people around you who just like the glamour and the appearance of things. This is the fundamental difference between you and the people around you. You are the real deal, but there are people around you who just like the glamour and the appearance of things. This is the fundamental difference.